Hey guys, it's Lena, and today I want to share with you what I have in my small bag, or as you can say, a small purse. Um, in some of the last videos, I've mentioned that I bought this bag in November, so last month, and I wasn't expecting that it proved to be so useful to me, so I bought it only as a small bag when I need to go for a walk with my dog to the park or when I need to go shopping. So just for some small things like wallet, cell phone, some bags or something like that. But actually, yeah, I really enjoy it, so it's become my everyday bag. And though it looks a bit big to me, it can collapse really well because now it has everything I need in it, maybe more than that. And you know, there is a secret um, to bags. If you have small bag, you will put everything you need in the small bag. If you have a bigger bag, there will be everything you need in a bigger bag, but the bag will be full. So this is just magic of bags. So the smaller your bag is, the less stuff you actually need. So it's like it is. So it has two compartments, as you see, and I really like that it has a long strap, and it's a crossbody bag. I really like the style because of course we don't have this like very hard criminal activity in our town, in our city, and when I travel, when I'm in a crowded place, I really feel safer having my bag across my body. So I really like it. So in the first compartment, I usually keep water. I found this bag recently in one of my kitchen cupboards. This was I recycled this bag, this bottle. I think it was some medicine, maybe some cough medicine or something like that. I like this bottle because it is like 200 mils or 250 mils of water. So it's pretty compact, and I don't like to drink a lot of water in winter when I'm outside because water gets very, very cold. I don't think it's healthy. So during the cold season, I really like to have smaller bottle in case I really want to drink, because I take water with me every time I go out, except for when I'm working with my dog for like half an hour. I'm okay without water. So next thing I have with me now, it's a plastic raincoat. Because I have a fur coat, I have a coat, puff coat, with fur and with feathers inside, so it's not really waterproof, and it can rain sometimes very heavily, so I don't want to take an umbrella with me. I think it's more heavy, and this way I just in case. It's very lightweight, it's very compact. Of course it doesn't look very stylish, but last time I was in another city, it proved to be very, very useful because the wind was very, very heavy, so I couldn't use an umbrella. So only this thing helped me. Another thing that's in my first compartment is a small shopping bag. It's a bag from H&M, and I think it is maybe 13 or 15 years old. And it still goes strong, although the inside has chipped a bit because it had some waterproof lining, I think. But I really like it. It has the size of the straps is really comfortable, because most of the time when I see these shoppers, they have very long stripes, and everything. If you have a long stripe shopper, your bag will be heavier. So it will feel heavier, and of course I don't like it. I don't need it in my shopping bag. So what else? In the first compartment, I also have some plastic bags, some small plastic bags in case I go shopping. So I prefer to take some leftover plastic bags, I prefer to reuse them. I have a lot of them, though I don't buy them. I don't take them when they are free in the supermarket, but still there are a lot of plastic bags in our home, so I usually take them, and I don't buy any extra fancy reusable bags like mesh bags or something like that. So I have some cream, like some sample creams, because it the skin can become really dry, and so during winter time, and so it really helps. Some antiseptic, like wet wipes or something like that, so it usually helps. And this is the end of my first compartment, but the real thing is in the second. So first of all, I have a lot of masks, because I keep them everywhere. We have a lot of fines if you don't have masks now in this period. So I keep them in every coat of mine, in every bag of mine, maybe some extra ones in case I forgot it, in case I need to lend a mask to a friend. So I just keep a lot of them. So this is my cosmetic, medicine, beauty bag. So all in it, I really like it because it's very small. I think it's also maybe 10 years old. It has been repainted, so it has been restored because all the artificial leather has chipped. So I had to restore it. Anyways, what I keep in it. So I have a small mirror like this. I think it was a present from some museum, European museum. So it's very compact. It's from France, I think, because everything is in French. I also keep my chopstick in it. It's a tinted one. It's pink. I really like the color, and I really like the size. It's Yves Rocher, and I think it's eternal, really, because never-ending chopstick. What else? I also have another wet wipe, some cash. I always have some extra cash in my this bag, because there were times when I forgot my wallet at home, and this cash really helped, really saved me. I have some eyeliner because sometimes I have some makeup on my face, and I usually forget about my makeup, and I just wipe my eyes with my hands. So I don't want to be with destroyed makeup outside, so I keep this very small brown eyeliner with me. So what else? That's all. Also, I keep some medicine with me all the time, maybe some allergy medicine, some pain relief, or flu medicine, because you never know, honestly. And in this small compartment, that's why I love this small bag, because it has a lot of compartments. I keep all my medicine, and I chop maybe 1 or 2 pills, and I take them with me, because normally if you have some kind of an accident, you don't really need a lot of pills at the same time. So if you don't go away for a long time, maybe you need 1 or 2 pills. And this proved very helpful. So I have some band-aid, pills, and that's all I need. And the last compartment here is I have a perfume sample, and I rarely use it as a perfume because, you know, every perfume has alcohol in it, and alcohol prevents bacteria. So if you have a nasty cut on your skin, or if you have some irritation on your skin, you can use this small amount of perfume, and it will help to stop bacteria from spreading. So that was a very good advice that I received maybe 10 years ago. So since then I use it a lot, I think. What I have else, I have some hair ties, because even though my hair now is not very long, I used to have a lot of hair, long hair, and sometimes I really like hair tie, to use hair ties, and sometimes you can use them not as like their initial intent, so you can tie something else. So this is like the heart of my bag. This goes in every bag I have. Also here I have some cards, some cash, and somewhat. I have some candy, some hard candy with me. This really proves very helpful, because especially when you go to a supermarket on an empty stomach, if you have to buy something, I prefer to eat even a small piece of candy, chocolate candy, and it will really help you stop buying, prevent buying something useless, some bad stuff. So oh my god, the shades. I'm sorry, I have to film in artificial light because today the weather is really shitty. I think I turned on the light like at 1 a.m. or at 1 p.m. sorry, in the afternoon. So what else do I have? Usually I have my headphones. I prefer these old style ones because I don't like to charge them. I don't like to find them in the woods or somewhere on the street if they fall down. And of course I also have my phone with me all the time in the second compartment. So this is pretty it. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about my like any case scenario collection, any case, like it's like first aid for everything box or something like that. So I hope you enjoyed it. Please like this video, or if you really want to know more, to see more videos of mine, please consider subscribing. It will be very nice. You will support me immensely. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.